Hello dear students, hope all of you are doing well. Let us start a new lesson today, that is conjunctions from your grammar book. As you can see in the screen, the definition of conjunctions is given. So conjunctions are actually joining words which help us to join words or group of words and sentences. However, in this chapter we'll talk about how do we use conjunctions to join sentences. There are various conjunctions like and, or, but, because, unless, although, etc. Along with that, sometimes the WH word or the question words like when, why, while, etc. are also used as conjunctions. In your book, 4 conjunctions are discussed in detail. So let us see that. Number 1 conjunction that is discussed in your book is and. See, it's a very common word, right? We use and to join sentences which expresses similar ideas. It means two similar sentences can be joined with the help of the conjunction and. Another conjunction that is discussed in the book is or. When we use or, we see that the sentences are offering a choice or not. If the sentences offer a choice, we use or. Next conjunction that is discussed in your book is but. As you can see in the screen, it is used to join two contrasting sentences. Contrasting means two different sentences. When two different ideas are put together in one sentence, we use the conjunction but. Next conjunction that is discussed in your book is because. Because is used to add or show reason in a sentence. How? Say for example, let's consider this sentence: I did not go to school because I was sick. Here there are two sentences: I did not go to school, I was sick. What we have tried to do here is that we try to show the reason with the help of the conjunction because. Let us see some worked out examples here. She was sad, she was tired. See, in this sentence, in these two sentences, the subject of the sentence is she, means the same person. Same person is sad and the same person is tired. So it's similar, right? So we have used the conjunction and. She was sad and tired. Now, in the second sentence, you can see that a choice is offered. Either you can go by bus or by train. So you can write the sentence as you can go by bus or train. Now, another interesting fact about conjunction is that in this chapter, if you are given two sentences to join with the help of a conjunction, at times you can even use more than one conjunctions. I mean, one sentence can be joined in different ways. Like in the third sentence, you can see run fast or you will miss the train. So you can also write it as unless you run fast, you will miss the train. So one thing you should always remember that when we use a conjunction, what we need to do is that we have to join the sentences meaningfully. So while doing so, you can use various conjunctions. That means two sentences can be joined in different ways. Next example is he did not play, he was injured. Here the reason of his not playing is expressed with the help of the conjunction because. He did not play because he was injured. Now it is time to reveal the password of the PDF file containing the solved exercises of this chapter. Please note down the password. The password is 258369. I repeat, 258369. Thank you.